Hey guys, welcome to another video from Smart Technology. In this video you're going to learn on how to bootable a USB or flash drive. The very first step is to connect your flash drive into computer. The second step, come to start menu and just write CMD and just click here. Yes. Okay, the very first command is Diskpart. If you want to see the list of available storage, write list disk. My USB is disk 1, so I'm going to select it. Select disk number 1, right clean. Let's create a partition. Create partition primary. Now you need to select it. Select partition 1, write format if is equal to interface, and then quick. Okay, here we go. Next part is to assign a letter to the USB. Assign letter. In the very final steps, write active, and let's get out of here. Okay, let's come to now here you need to extract the files of operating system or Windows into your USB. Right click here and just let's go here, extract file, and to the USB. Okay guys, it will take some time. When the process is over, then you can restart your computer and you can install the Windows. And that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel, and wait for more interesting videos.